I'm going to be showing you how to animate text within Final Cut. So I'm going to be showing you how to animate it using text within Final Cut. So what you want to do is head into your video generators tab within your effects tab, then head to text, and then I'd recommend just choosing your standard text. So if you drag and drop that into your timeline, wait for it to load up. Mine's already been set to play my text, but it should say sample text in here if this is the first time. So you'd probably double click it and you'd head into controls and you'll be able to change your text, and you'll also be able to change the fonts to whatever font you tend to like. You can also change the size, style, all sorts of editorial things you can do within this filter, within this tab. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you to do is animating your text. Obviously, if you're going to be doing proper title animation, you'll be doing it in programs like After Effects or Motion, but I'm going to be showing you basic stuff which you may as well do within Final Cut. Okay, so the first one, well, to do all these titles, you need to be using something called keyframing. So I'll show you a basic keyframe with the scale. Okay, so now at the start of the clip, as you can see on the timeline, if I see the scale here under the motion tab, you see this little diamond here. I would click, and that adds the first free keyframe, the scale being at 100. And then say if I move the timeline to the end of the clip, and then move the scale up, say about there, it will automatically add the keyframe in. And now if I play back, I don't know, basic zooming effects. This is straight within Final Cut. As well as that, you can also do it with rotating. So say if I like the text to be zooming, like so, and now I want it, I don't know, spin around here. I'll pause it here. I'll add a keyframe on rotation, then add another keyframe, say here. On top of this keyframe, I will rotate the text. So say it's about here. So now if I play it back, that's what happens. And obviously I'd want to rotate it back down, so I'd add another keyframe, put it back down to there. So now my text will be animated, like so. So yeah, that's very simple animating titles just straight within Final Cut. This is very useful within films. I often tend to use it to do a sort of a sliding effect at the bottom of the footage, and using fade outs and stuff, fade in, fade outs. I'm just going to quickly show you now adding titles. You can do this because Final Cut add in a scrolling text here already done for you, so you can probably use this. Well, you can use this if you drag and drop it into your timeline. Double hit it. And obviously go to controls, you can start to add your titles, stuff like thank you for watching. Made by Owen. Thanks, I don't know, difficult to think of stuff. So now if I play back, I render it off quickly. Create a short little title, credits. So that's how you would do credits within Final Cut. There's also, if you head into the text generator, generator's text, there is loads of different, it's not loads, there's about 5 different types of pre-made texts here. And as well as that, you can actually go and download different text pre-animated. You'll probably find if you go to a website called Effects Pro, you'll be able to use some of their effects. Some of them are free, some of them you have to buy. They give you some pre-done text stuff, like good intros and things. So all you'd have to do is actually animate the text. There's all sorts of those things around on the internet for you to go and check out. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.